Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Labs. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a new tool I just discovered called Bolt.new. If you've ever used V0 and Cursor together, imagine them combined, but on steroids. In this video, I'll be giving you a demo showing how anyone can now become a software engineer and deploy a full-stack app just by knowing English. The best part? You can have your app up and running in no time with minimal effort. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of the cool tools and tips we've got coming your way. Okay, so this is the main page. As you can see, it features an interface similar to Claude AI. You can simply type here, and it will start generating code for you instantly. Now let's dive into the demo. Okay, so I'm going to be building a website for a bakery business. In the prompt, I'll be adding some other details as well. Alright, as you can see, it's now generating the code based on my prompt. On the right, you'll notice it opened an editor, and the code is being written right in front of us. You can even follow along to learn from the code it generates. Alright, after writing the code, it will automatically run the necessary commands to start the React app. This is the power of this new tool. It even has its own terminal, just like Replit, and it handles everything for you. Once all the dependencies are installed, it takes us to a preview window where we can see how the app it built turned out to be. It generated a pretty good-looking website. It actually looks quite professional. With a few improvements, I think we could easily deploy it and have it look like a top-tier professional site. Okay, so here the menu button works. But I'm noticing the other two buttons aren't working, so let's go ahead and add some fixes and some improvements as well. And off it goes again. It knows exactly which files need to be changed and jumps right in, writing code just like a real developer would. Okay, so it added the images. One of them seems to be missing, but that's fine. Now let's check out the sections it created. Look at that. It generated a beautiful About Us section and a Contact section while keeping the styling of the website consistent. Now I'm just going to keep modifying the website more and more, and I'm going to just play around with it. Here, I'll tell it to add a cool little effect on the button, and we'll see what it does. It seems the effect didn't turn out as I wanted, so now I'm going to be more specific. I need to add a confetti effect, and let's see how that goes. I think when I clicked on the Code tab, I actually stopped the development server. But that's okay because the tool also tells us which commands to run. So I'll just run the command it provided in the terminal down below. And you can see that it's up and running again. And the confetti effect works perfectly. It seems that some images that it provided were not available, so I'll just ask it to fix that as well. One image was still missing, so I'll ask it again. You see, this is how we can use AI, just like a senior developer would ask a junior developer to make changes. AI does all the work for us, and we're just here to supervise what it does. Okay, so finally all the images are visible. Now let's ask it to generate a separate card for each item in the menu. It'll build everything first, and we just need to watch. Okay, it seems we've run into an error, but no worries. We'll just copy it over and give it to the tool, and it'll fix it for us. It seems we've run out of free credits for the tool, so I think I'll have to fix it myself. After that, we'll take a look at the display it created. Okay, so this is the card it created for the individual items in the menu. It looks pretty nice. If it weren't for running out of free credits and that small error we encountered, the AI tool could have fixed it itself. After this, I'm going to tell you about the pricing for this tool. Okay, so this is the pricing. In my opinion, the $9 Pro version could be enough for anyone. With that, anyone can create any sort of app they imagine, and that app could even earn millions of dollars. It's really up to you what you do with this tool. Well, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.